Z nami je Violeta iz Ščečina, iz Poljske. Nam lahko kaj poveš o sebi, o mestu, odkoder prihajaš?
Hi, my name is Violeta. I come from Poland, yes, and pozdrawiam wszystkich i życzę wszystkiego dobrego w nowym roku i serdeczne nowe lato. Fala, lepa. It's a great city, yes, very beautiful, and I like it very much, yes, and I'm recommending to all of you
to visit Kamnik.
Yes, of course. Yes, because it's worth it to see it. Yes, and also people, they are very friendly here, and I feel here very good.
And how long will you stay here?
I will stay for 6 months. Yes, and I started 2 weeks ago. Came here.
Okay.